Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to make a full song with Suno AI. So let's begin. First, go to your Chrome browser, go to suno.com, log into your account and on the left menu, click on Create. Now we have various options in here. We're going to be doing the very basics, okay? You can do either simple or custom. So click on audio. You can upload a audio file or record a new song or new voice. Okay. Now, lyrics, you can simply copy paste anything you've made so far. On the styles, choose anything that is up to your preference for the specific song. Then you can enter the song title in here. You have more options, but clearly, what we're going to use in here, if you want to add very specific details about your song, do it here. You can do prompts just like with the ChatGPTs and such. It will help you out. And then click on create. It will take a few minutes and then you're done. Your song has now been created with Suno AI. I hope you found this video very helpful.